Winsome Axis wishes you a joyous Pakistan Independence Day. On this momentous occasion, Winsome Axis extends heartfelt greetings to our fellow Pakistanis across the nation and around the world. As we celebrate the spirit of freedom, unity, and resilience, let us remember the sacrifices that paved the way for our beloved country's independence. At Winsome Axis, we take pride in being a part of the vibrant tapestry of Pakistan. Our handcrafted jewelry embodies the essence of our nation's culture and diversity, reflecting the beauty that is uniquely Pakistani. As you commemorate this day with your loved ones, adorn yourself with Winsome Axis creations that embrace our rich heritage. Let each piece be a symbol of your patriotic spirit and an ode to the remarkable journey our nation has undertaken. Happy Independence Day. Let us continue to stand together, united by our love for this great land of Pakistan. Winsome Axis.